What's up, you guys? So we're starting this wash day off on some crusty dusty old hair. I am definitely a lazy natural if you don't know already. So yeah, this was originally a wash and go using wet line gel. I haven't washed my hair in about 3 weeks or so. So yeah, I'm going to be using these products today. It's the Keratin Smooth line by Tresemme. I'm going to be using the shampoo along with the conditioner. I've never used either of these products before, so I'm actually testing them out for the first time. And then I'm also going to be using this Sleek Shot thing. This is by Garnier Fructis. Now this is supposed to cut your sleek time in half, and I guess you're supposed to mix it with the shampoo. So yeah, I'm trying this out for the first time. I'm not going to be using many products today, so this should be a pretty simple wash day. So I'm going to go ahead and hop in the shower and get started. So the first thing I like to do is wet my hair. Obviously, I like my hair to be soaking wet like so before I go ahead and apply my shampoo. So I'm going to use a good bit of shampoo. Given the fact that my hair was extremely dirty, I felt like it needed to be shampooed. I don't shampoo my hair every wash day. Honestly, I don't even wash my hair that much. I would say probably like twice, maybe 3 times a month. And if I don't use any heavy products or any gels or anything like that, then I probably won't shampoo my hair. I'll just do a co-wash. Honestly, I just do whatever I feel like is necessary for that wash day. I am shampooing my ends as well as my roots, and some days I'll just do my roots, or some days I just won't shampoo at all. It just all depends on how I feel that day. I don't even have like a set schedule for washing my hair. I just wash it whenever I feel like it needs to be washed. Anyways, I rinsed out the shampoo, but then I realized that I forgot to use the Garnier Fructis Sleek Shot stuff. So I guess I'll use this on another wash day. I guess when I flat iron my hair next month. But right now I'm just going to drain out the excess water in my hair, because when I apply my conditioner, I like to let it sit while I take my shower. So I didn't want it to be like, dripping out of my hair. I'm going to take a good bit of conditioner and massage that all into my hair, just like so. And I just love how this conditioner feels on my hair. I feel like it just makes my hair so soft, so manageable. So I am going to let it sit while I take my shower. So I just like to put it back in kind of like a little ponytail while I take my shower, and then I'll come back and detangle. Alright, y'all, so disregard my face. I'm actually doing a face mask right now, but right now I'm just detangling my hair. I did speed this process up because I've shown my detangle process a few times on this channel, but I'll slow this clip down in case you haven't seen any of my other videos. The first thing I like to do is finger detangle and stretch out my hair before going in with some type of detangling brush. Today I'm using this brush by Conair, and eventually I'm gonna start using my Tangle teaser that I recently got, but until then, so yeah, I'm just gonna finish detangling my hair. So after I detangled my hair, I washed out the conditioner, and then I just kind of put it in these little ratchet Bantu knots just so that it wouldn't shrink back up. I'm going to be using this here Revlon brush blow dryer, and continuing with the Tresemme Keratin Smooth line, I'm going to be using the heat protectant spray along with this heat protectant oil. I think that's what it is. So these are the only products that I'm going to be using on my hair today. So right now I'm just going to take down my first Bantu knot, and as you can see, my hair is still pretty much wet. It's definitely about 70% wet, and it's about to be even wetter because I'm literally going to spray so much of this heat protectant spray on my hair, like it just won't make sense, because I feel like this product is super lightweight because I didn't really feel it on my hair. So I just sprayed an awful lot of it until I felt like I had sprayed enough. Honestly, I just kept spraying and spraying. I seriously don't even know how much I sprayed, but I'm kind of glad that I sprayed a lot because the brush actually gets super hot, which I'll talk about that more later. But yeah, I'm just gonna add 1, 2, 3 pumps of this serum onto my hair. Honestly, I probably could have added another pump because I'm not really worried about that much about having bouncy hair. I really just want to protect my hair from the heat because I'm only blow drying it so that I can braid it. So yeah, I did go ahead and break my hair down into smaller sections. Originally, I had it in 4 sections, but as I'm like blow drying it, I'm gonna break those sections down into 2 sections. So total, I'm gonna be blow drying my hair in 8 sections. And I'm going to start with this back section. And of course, I'm going to start by quickly finger detangling and stretching out my hair. And I'm going to use my brush again just to, make sure that there's not any tangles in there before I go in with the blow dry brush. I know I already detangled my hair in the shower, but since I did have those like Bantu knots in it, I just want to make sure that, there's no more knots or tangles in my hair before I use this blow dryer, because y'all, this blow dryer literally works so good and so fast, and it gets super hot. And yeah, I really love this brush. So I'm going to leave this clip in real time just so y'all can kind of see like how fast and how good this brush works. I don't know where this brush has been my whole life. Like, why did I wait so long to finally invest in this brush? And it's not even that expensive. It's like 30-40 bucks, but literally it works so good. I was so amazed at the turnout. This was actually my first time using this brush. So, and I'm definitely going to continue using it to blow my hair out in the future. So this brush does get really hot, and the heat or the air comes out from the top of the brush, so you kind of have to angle it to blow dry your hair. But other than the fact that it gets super hot, it literally almost was like burning my hand. And I did use this brush on the highest setting, which is probably why it got so high. I actually didn't even try out the low setting. But other than that, this brush did what it had to do. I absolutely loved how quick it made my blow drying process. Like, it literally cut my blow drying process in half. Had I used a regular blow dry, it would have took me, twice as long to get my hair blow dried. And you can kind of see that at first when I started to use this brush, I was kind of just, passing it through my hair. But as I got about halfway through my hair, I did kind of slow down with each pass, and I noticed that the slower you go, the better it blow dries your hair, the straighter your hair will be. And I'm literally just so amazed at how good this brush works, because it's like I have been seeing this brush for years, and I finally decided to get one for myself, and turns out I absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just speed through the rest of this clip of me blow drying this side of my hair, and I'll be back once I'm finished with this side. Alright, so I'm halfway through my blowout, and this is how my hair is looking. So this brush is absolutely amazing. I didn't get any snags or anything like that because I was being super careful. I know my ends need to be clipped, but that's a video for another day. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and speed through the process of me blowing out the rest of my hair. So to finish off my blowouts, I switched the brush to the cool setting just to, cool my scalp down a bit and lock in some moisture. So I want to show you guys exactly how much shedding I got throughout my entire blow drying process. So this is all of the hair that was left in the brush. Like, this is not a lot of shedding at all. Like, literally all of the hair you see now is the amount of shedding I got from blow drying my hair with this brush. And this is not a lot at all, y'all. And I love how my hair turned out. I feel like it's still like kind of bouncy, even though I'm just blowing out my hair so that I can braid it away for either a wig or a sew-in. I feel like if I would have decided to do a flat iron, on this hair, it still would have came out like super nice, super silky, and super bouncy because for one, the products I used, I absolutely love them. They were definitely very lightweight, but we'll see how good the heat protectant holds up once I wash my hair. I'll probably do like a how I get my curls back video just to see like if I got any heat damage, because that brush, y'all, that brush got super hot, and I feel like that could be very damaging. And yes, my ends definitely need to be clipped, but you'll definitely get to see me clip them in one of my upcoming videos, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.